Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will see the precedence of Python operators. Okay, today we will explain how we can solve the equation. Okay, and what is the order of operator in Python. So let's start. Precedence of Python operator determines the order in which operation are processed. It means how the operation will perform, in which order the operator will execute. So as you can see this table, exponential, the highest level of operator, firstly the exponential will execute, then second one complement, unary, plus and minus will execute. After that multiply, divide, modulo and floor division will execute. Then addition and subtraction will execute. After that right and left bitwise shift operator will execute. Then bitwise and after that bitwise exclusive or and regular or. Then comparison operators, equality operators, and the last one assignment operators. So this is the way, or this is the order in which operator will execute in Python. Now few more operators also, like is not, identity operator, is not in, membership operator, not or and logical operators. So this is the order of operators in Python. Now let's see example or program. In by using this program you can easily understand. Okay, we have taken five variables a, b, c, d, e, and a equal to 20, b equal to 10, c equal to 15, d equal to 5 we have assigned, and e equal to 0 we have taken. Now you can see e equal to a plus b into c divided by d. So what is the order? As you can see here, how the equation will execute. Firstly, the a plus b means the parenthesis will execute first, then the result of a plus b, okay, multiply by the d. So this is the way in which the value will execute. Now next thing we will see, there is a double bracket equal to a plus b into c, then bracket close divided by d. Here again the bracket will execute, a plus b into c will execute first, then divided by d. Firstly the inner bracket a plus b will execute first, then multiplication will perform, after that the division will perform. Here you can see a plus b into c divided by d. Here you can see two parentheses are here, so both parentheses will execute one by one. Firstly the a plus b parenthesis will execute, then c divided by d parenthesis will execute, then multiplication will perform. Here you can see a plus in bracket b into c divided by d. Firstly the bracket b into c will execute, then divide operation will perform, after that the addition will perform. As you can see the output here, value of a plus b into c divided by d is 90, value of a plus b bracket into c divided by d is 90, again value of a plus b bracket close into in bracket c divided by d is 90, and the last one value of a plus in bracket b into c divided by d is 50. So this is the order of operator in Python. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any kind of doubt in operator precedence, you can write into comment box. So thank you for watching.